So this UFO is dripping something or some kind of molten liquid metal or something like that. However, now the military is seeing these things floating in the sky, so they call in an A-10 Warthog who comes in and fires a Sidewinder missile at it. Now watch what happens. This is absolutely amazing. Boom! Sidewinder hits him. Nothing. It doesn't even phase him. Doesn't even phase him. Can you? What the fuck was that? Holy fucking shit! Did you guys fucking see that? What the fuck was that? Is that they have straight up normal 1080p color video of it. Not thermal vision, but just straight up what's it look like with a regular camera. Well, it's going to come up here in a minute. That's what's really cool is I'm glad we're able to see that, what it looks like without the thermal imaging. So they appear to be just some kind of balls of energy. I mean, look at that. That's what it is zoomed in with the thermal camera. But when you take it away, it's literally exactly what Colonel Hoyt described as these red balls. Look at this. That's just regular video camera. Look at this thing. Right over the military base. Look at this, it's amazing.